I want to briefly explain the mistake I made here. When we're doing a hypothesis test and we're trying to figure out what the standard error is, or sigma, we should be using what is our assumed population parameter, p. So for problem 2, for most of us that is 0.5, right? Because this newspaper is claiming that a minority of students is not going to college or whatever. So the population parameter is assumed to be 0.5. What I had done on accident is I did what we do when we're making confidence intervals, and I use our statistic. In problem 2, I don't think it's a big problem because the n is so big and p hat are so close together. But in problem 5, it is a problem. So in general, when we're doing hypothesis tests, we should be using our population parameter p when we're finding our standard error. You can watch this video up here where I have correctly done problem number 2. All right. Thank you very much. Post if you have any more questions.